Dear students, welcome to MSBT online learning platform. I am Pratibha Samir Pednekar, lecturer, Computer Engineering Department from Vivekanand Education Society Polytechnic, Chembur, Mumbai. In object-oriented programming, we start with unit number 3, Implement Inheritance in C++. In earlier lecture, we already seen what is inheritance, what is base class, derived class, and different visibility modes. Today, we are going to learn single inheritance with its syntax and example. This is the concept map for single inheritance. There are total 5 types of inheritance. Out of that, today we are going to learn single inheritance. What is single inheritance? A derived class with only one base class is called as single inheritance. It implements an is-a relationship. In single inheritance, there is only one base class and one derived class. This type of inheritance is called as single inheritance. Like here, we have one base class, and from this base class, we derive another class, that is derived class. So here, derived class can access the properties of a base class. This scenario is a single inheritance. Let's see syntax for single inheritance. First, we derive a base class, class base. Inside the base class, member of a base class present. Then we derive another class, class derived, visibility mode towards the base class. Here, visibility mode is either public, private, or protected. And inside the derived class, members of derived class are present. This is the syntax for single inheritance. Let's see example for single inheritance. Here we have created one base class. In this class, we have taken member function and member variable. We taken one function as a get function to accept the value for A and B. Then we derive another class as a derived class public base class. Public is a visibility mode towards the base class. In derived class, again we have defined here two methods. One is put method to accept value for C, and display method is used to display value for A, B and C. And then we derive here another main method and create object of a derived class. So derived class object can access the property from a base class. So object.get method is from my base class method. Object.put method is from my derived class method, and object.display, it is also from derived class. Let's execute this program first. Enter value for A and B, value for A, value for B, enter value for C. So here value for A, B and C are displayed. Now let's do some changes. Here we have taken visibility mode as a public. Now let's change this as a private. So here visibility mode is a private visibility mode towards the base class. So base class private members become private in derived class, protected become private, and public member also become private for derived class. Let's execute this program. Here one error occurs. What is error? Base get is not accessible. ये मेथड एक्सेसिबल नहीं हो रहा है. Why? Because get method is from base class and here we have defined visibility mode as a private. So get method भी मेरा private हो गया and private members cannot accessible. Private members are work only within the base class. So what we can do, we have to call the get method in derived class method. derived class के method के अंदर मैंने ये get method को यहाँ पे call कर दिया and then this get method commented. So here we have created object of a derived class, object dot put. What happens when we call object dot put? It will call first get method and then enter value for C and it will accept the value for C. Let's execute this program. Enter value for A, B and value for C. So value for A, B and C are displayed here.